I think we can just drive it.
This guy's pretty strong.
Nah, I just called in the strong guy.
Somebody left on the bike here.
We'll do our best to stay away from them and stay shallower than 24 inches.
And if we break it, we'll call you.
What just occurred?
We're trying to find power, and we didn't find power.
No, the flower beds we're going to be driving stakes into, they're worried about us hitting, they're worried, we're not worried about us hitting electrical lines and stuff like that. So they sent out an electrician who didn't wire this place so he could tell us that he didn't know where everything was. So we're same boat as we were pre-conversation. We're just going to have to kind of swing away and hope for the best.
Yeah, pretty nice.
Come back out here. I gotta get his head and horns out from under your basket. Right to your left. Stop.
I got this. If you can get something on it.
I did it again. Yeah, we just wrapped up our first ever 24-foot reindeer build. There it is. Come and take your pictures in front of it. It's very beautiful. Make sure you follow. Just find all of our good content. My good content. Everybody else's average content. That's all I got. We out.
All right.